Some people think a police badge is just decoration, but they couldn't be more mistaken. Disrespect comes with a cost, and everyone's about to see it. Buckle up, because things are about to get real intense. I couldn't believe what I saw. She went from yelling insults to being in handcuffs in minutes. The Orlando officers handled it perfectly by the book. Actions have consequences, and this time they caught up fast. This scene shows more than chaos. It's about control and respect. The law isn't above anyone, and no one is beneath it. Staying calm keeps you safe, but defiance tears everything apart.
Stop. Stop.
Yeah, you miss.
Stop.
Damn.
Oh, that way? It's okay. I got it. We're gonna go to Harrison's side. Ready?
Yeah, do it.
Yep.
And watch
1,
this, though.
2, 3. Stop. Stop. Roll.
Yeah, watch it.
Hey, don't try to bite me.
Stop lying.
Get the taser out.
Now watch what she do. No, now watch.
Disrespect never ends well. She thought she was standing up for justice, but the moment she spat at the officer, she crossed the line. That's the thin border between reason and recklessness.
What did I do?
The suspect chose to resist even after several warnings. The officer's punch wasn't out of anger. It was about keeping order. Respect the badge, or chaos will answer for you.
Just listen to these niggas, cause now you got you sue the shit out their ass.
I'm finna sue.
got that shit. Listen to them. Here, go to the car.
Call your
Sue the shit out their ass.
Now.
Listen to everything they say now.
He don't gotta suck him down. He don't gotta suck him down. Watch this.
Imagine checking your backyard and finding a real fugitive hiding in your trash can. This wasn't a movie scene, it actually happened. When fear meets foolishness, even a garbage bin starts to look like a safe house. She was shouting, refusing to calm down as the officer tried to restore order. Everyone needs to learn how to behave in public, or risk losing their freedom. I'm thankful my neighbors aren't like that. Many of them are refugees who treat our building with respect, quiet, kind, and always ready to help when someone needs it.
Absolutely insane.
Street parties here many years back, and we all got along with one another.
Neighbours treat their housing commission property is a massive part of the problem.
But there are people doing it bloody rough that would give their eye teeth for that. When are you going to clean this up, China? When are you going to clean this up?
Sonny says this man, who calls himself Aaron, has been living here for about 2 years.
But it's just hoarded up over the time.
The front and is willing to risk his safety by taking matters.
I've had a gutful of this. You want to ignore me, eh?
Look, mate, I'm not really interested.
If you have rubbish, you can ring them up, they will come and pick it up.
But Sonny is the type of bloke who has no time for buck passes.
It's on council property. It's got nothing to do with me, mate.
What do you mean it's got nothing to do with it? It's your business.
I don't give a what you're doing. Get off the property. I don't want nothing to do with you.
When my yard is better than every in the streets, mate, well, I'll ring the council and every
Taking you 2 years to get...
You
Oh, they blocking him in. Oh, they blocking him in.
A reckless pickup driver thought blocking officers would help his friend escape. But trying to play hero for criminals never ends well.
Oh, he going to jail. He going to jail. He going to jail. Get over here. Get over here.
Hi there. I'm Deputy Ortiz with the Racine County Sheriff's Office. Stop because your seatbelt isn't on and we're actually out.
You can't escape a lie by fastening your seatbelt. The moment you choose to seat over truth, you've already unbuckled your integrity. Always respect the law. It protects those who stay honest.
I'm not giving you nothing. It's not.
Driver's license and insurance, sir. You're going to make this more difficult than it has to be. Your driver's license and insurance, sir.
Do you see this?
Sir, do you want to be forcibly removed? Me, you were not wearing a seatbelt.
That's not true. I have this on.
Driver's license and insurance, sir.
Are you planning on killing us today?
No, we're not going to kill you, okay?
I'm an American. I have my seatbelt.
Well, that's great to know, okay? You were not wearing a seatbelt when you drove past me. We saw you putting it on while we were behind you. You can argue this all day long and make this even worse for yourself. Otherwise, just give us your ID and the insurance, sir.
What do you want my money?
Driver's license and insurance, sir.
I like your glasses.
You're making a big driver's license and insurance, sir. You're making a bigger deal out of this than it has to be.
For my seatbelt being
Yes.
on?
Yep.
Then leave them, though.
Because I watched you put them on, sir. Now please put them on or I'm going to ask you to step out of the vehicle. And when I do so, that's a lawful order. And if I have to, I can forcibly remove you from the vehicle, sir. All right?
I broke my glasses. You like that?
Yeah.
$150 fucking glasses.
Well, that's your problem. Okay, you're acting like a child right
Want
now.
my money? Here.
You're acting like a child. I want your driver's license and your insurance.
Here's everything I have. Here's my money. Here's my
You're
money.
acting like a child, sir.
Here's my card. Here's everything.
Your driver's license, sir. Hand it to me.
Money. Take my money. Take this too. Take that
Your
too.
driver's license, sir.
You're just destroying all my stuff, ruining my holiday.
Yeah.
Using me as something that I'm doing. Ripping up the money. I spent $500 for my fucking family.
That's great.
Huh?
Driver's license, sir.
Nothing.
Are you intoxicated, sir?
Bullshit.
What kind of drugs are you on, sir?
Well, here's what you need this too. We'll just rip that up too.
Your driver's
Bullshit.
license.
Go get it. Take it. Take whatever
I'm not
you want.
going into your vehicle, sir.
Take my
Can I have your
entire
driver's license, please?
life. Rip all this up too. Got nothing down. Here, take this.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate it.
Yeah, so you can take
So-
my money. So you can take my money.
Remain in the vehicle, sir. I'll be back
Take
up
my
with you,
money.
okay?
Look, I have my seatbelt on. You take my fucking money. That's bullshit.
This is quite possibly the dumbest thing I've ever seen in my life. You are reporting that someone stole the drugs that you were trying to sell them.
Sir, I'm broke. I'm just trying to make a little bit
At
of
what
money
point
here.
does this make any sense?
She called the cops to report her stolen drugs
At what
and then
point?
handed them the evidence
At
herself.
what point do you think
Sometimes
telling the
reality
cops
beats comedy,
that someone
and justice doesn't even need to chase.
He's not being honest. Where's what he...
Are there drugs in this car?
No, there isn't.
There be no drugs in my car.
There isn't. There isn't.
469. This is the dumbest shit I've ever seen in my life.
469.
Oh, Lord.
Where are you at?
Oh, my God.
Going back towards that scene.
Oh, Jesus.
I need you to come over here. Stay right there, ladies. Sorry, sir. Let me move my car for you. I'm just going to move my car so we can get out. It's quite possibly the dumbest night of my entire life.
All right, so let's step over here and take care of that first.
Right here.
He once wore the badge with pride, but now it meant nothing. Once a deputy, later a police chief, he was caught pretending to be an officer. His golden jacket couldn't hide the truth. When you fake the law takes everything back.
we will get a chance. I'm going to call the owner of the company, the guy I spoke with. I'm going to talk to him. He gave me his number, said to call him back. All right.
Which?
Oh my God. All right. And it's loaded, right? Okay. We're not going to. Yeah. Take all his stuff, and you can throw it in my car.
Okay. I'll put it in the back of yours. I'm just throwing everything in the back.
You know what? No!
No one
You!
She was screaming, fighting with her boyfriend, and refusing to obey officers, pushing her luck way too far.
Taser, taser, taser! Turn around now!
I don't want her to take a
I don't care. Sit down now! I'm telling you right now, I will tase you. Get
One taser shot later, she was in cuffs, furious, and banging her head against the patrol car window.
Your attorney.
I don't care about your attorney.
I'm not gonna do this to you.
We're not doing this. You're on the ground. Trolls here. You're making it harder on yourself. I'm telling you right now, stop. I'm gonna drive stun you in just a second if you don't stop.
My attorney's gonna be marked Ion.
Stop.
My attorney's gonna be marked Ion.
Stop.
You know what? You know what? He's my uncle's best friend in Sussex County. Why are you detaining me?
What would you do if someone high on drugs started threatening you, especially if you were the one wearing the badge? Comment below and share your thoughts while we break down this wild encounter.
For nothing. And you're telling me for nothing. And you about to lose your job. You ain't even got no job.
Work away, you're going to... Now you're going to jail.
She thought a few drinks would make the night fun, not end in handcuffs. In a foreign city, her loud defiance became her downfall. What started with laughter ended with flashing lights. The law doesn't take vacations.
What? What am I being arrested for? What am I being arrested for?
Obstruction.
Obstruction of what? 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 Can y'all not tell me your badge number? What's your badge number? Tell me it. What's your badge?
Turn around right now.
What's your badge number?
Back away.
What's your badge number?
Why are you yelling?
Officer A Post.
Yep.
What's yours?
Jardino.
So what am I being arrested for?
I mean, I could arrest you with disorderly conduct, obstruction, whatever you want.
So what am I being arrested for? Can you, take a video. Take a video.
Come on, Nicole. Stop running. Stop. Stop.
I don't trust you.
Stop.
Don't touch me.
Nicole, get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Don't touch me.
Nicole, stop. Stop, Nicole.
Police responded to a woman causing a scene at Starbucks, yelling at customers and throwing things. When officers tried to arrest her, she refused to cooperate and they had to restrain her as she kicked and fought back.
God, I swear to God, I swear to God, I swear to stupid, I swear to God.
All right.
For this bitch.
Bro.
Stop.
Taser.
Get his ass.
Taser.
No.
Taser.
I swear to God, I don't give a Give me. I swear to God. Yo. You.
Taser, taser, taser! No! Get the f away from me! Roll over! Get the f roll over! Get the f away! Roll over! Do it now! God! God!
Mr. Jones, please step out the car. You're under arrest. Step out the car.
No, he's not. Stop playing.
Step out the car.
Why?
Stay in the car.
Okay, stop. Relax, stay in the car. Okay, I'm getting out of the car, yo.
All right, put your hands behind your back, sir. Put your hands behind your back.
In Rhine, Wisconsin, a simple traffic stop turned into something straight out of a movie.
Really? Are you guys kidding me? You guys
Stay in the car. Stay in the car.
Do something.
Stay in the car. Stay in the car.
Really?
Stay in the car. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Are you kidding me? Yes, I swear to God.
Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
Put your hands behind your back.
She's biting. She's biting.
Put your hands behind your back.
No. Stop resisting.
Stop resisting.
Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
Behind your back.
She bit me.
I'm sorry. Oh, I'm peeing.
I got it.
Please.
401. I got 295. Everyone slow it down. She bit me.
Oh my God. Because you wouldn't let me go.
Just stop resisting.
I didn't do nothing.
All right. You bit me.
If you got a female for the search, take one.
You arrested me for nothing.
You can't get out the car.
I haven't died.
I don't care.
They know that.